Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? Alright, hope you all had a good lesson with Miss K for your English. Okay, Miss K was saying that you all will have a live lesson today for geography. That's exciting. Okay, today we will be doing two books. One is your activity book as well as your course book. So I want you to open up your activity book first. I want you to open up your activity book first. 1A, page number 153. 153. Please open up to page number 153 and please write down HW because this is for homework. Page number 153 and 154, both the pages are for homework. Okay, I want you to make a card with different patterns, okay, and take a picture and upload it as homework. Okay, now here on this page I want you to strike the word name and write down Thursday, T capital please, Thursday, and today's date 22nd of October. This is the date which you need to copy, OCTOBER and 2020. Please write a complete date, please. Then write down HW. Strike the word class and write down HW. So page number 153 and 154 are for homework. Alright? Now, I'll be sharing another worksheet on shapes for homework which you need to print out and paste it in your exercise book 1, maths exercise book 1, and you have to do the work. Okay? Now, let's start with the course book. Quickly please. We have completed our chapter shapes. Okay, we'll be starting with a new chapter that is called length. The name of the chapter is, the topic is length. We are done with the shapes topic. Now we will do length topic. We will start today. It's a chapter number 8. You can see on page number 114. Page number 114. Page number 114, 115 and 116. These 3 pages we will do it today. Okay, and then we'll continue to do activities based on length. What is the length? Length is the height of something, of an object. Length. How do we know how tall or short? This is tall wooden ruler and this is a short wooden ruler. How can you say tall and short? Because of their length. You see their height, their length. Okay, this one is longer compared to this. Yes, it's tall and long. This one is short. Okay, so this is how we measure the length. How we look at objects and then we see whether which is tall, which is short. Now, open up to page number 114 as we were there. Please write today's date, draw the line on page number 114. Okay, on page number 114 you don't have enough space. I understand that. So what you can do is, you can go to page number 115. Do you see the blue sky here? The clouds. Yes. Please draw the line here. Okay. And write today's date. Either there or here if you could. It depends on you. How is your writing? If it is medium size, you can put in here. If not, then use here. Here you have enough space. Okay. Now, let's start. You can complete the date later. It is 22nd, 22 October 2020. Alright, as you can see, this looks like a sports ground. It is a school ground where they are having sports. Their lesson is sports. It's sports time, PE time. So, children are lining up in an order. Okay, so what's happening? I make the longest jump. After jumping, Callie is feeling very happy and proud, saying that she has the longest jump. Then, I am taller in class. In the second row, you can see the children are standing in a line. And this boy is telling the boy in front that, look, I am the tallest in the class. Yeah, in our class also we have children same age but with a different height. I have already explained this to you when we did science chapter, the first chapter. Okay, how do we look the same and how do we look different? We all have two eyes, one nose, 2 ears, but the shape of the nose and eyes are different. Our hair is different. We all have hair, but different type of hair. Curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair, yeah, or no hair. So that is how we make out in a class. With the age, mostly all the children are from more or less the same age, but they are having different DNAs, the different how they follow their parents, whether the parents are tall or short or medium height. So the same way we will here find out the length, the difference of the length. Now the boy here, Bala, says, I make shortest jump. The least two are Callie, Bala and David have taken the first turn to jump. So they jumped at the same time. Callie says, I make the longest jump. Bala says, I make the shortest jump because he is behind here. He's behind. You can see the level. Yeah. Now, I make a longer jump than Bala. I make a shorter jump than Callie. So, what's happening is David is in between Bala and Callie's height, lengthwise. Okay. So, now what is happening? She is way further in front than these two boys. Who is the last one who made the shortest jump? That is Bala. David is in between. His measurement is in between. He covered the length in between Bala. He's in front of Bala but behind Callie. Okay. Now, here in the third row, the boy says, I am as tall as you. So, these both boys are comparing their heights. So, they both are the same height. So, what do they say? I am as tall as you. Then here the boy says, I am taller than you. And then he says, I am shorter than you. He says, yeah, you're taller than me and I'm shorter than you. Here, tall and short comparison. Here, the same height comparison. Okay. Now, come to page number 116. The heading says, comparing and ordering lengths. We are going to compare and then put them in an order. You can see there are cones, different color cones, different size cones. Now, red, yellow, green and blue. They have a bar above them. Okay. Now, let's read the question and answer. You have to write the answer in the yellow box. You need to use your pointed pencil so that you can do neat work. Which cone? Please listen. Which cone is as short as the red cone? That means which cone is the same size as the red cone? Which cone is as short as the red cone? As short as the red cone. Which one is it? Which cone is it? Which is the same height as the red one. Very good. It's the green. How do you know the height? How can you compare? You look at the bar here. The red top, the red cone top is touching the bar on the top, and yellow is not touching. Blue is way ahead. Yeah, but the green is at the same height as the red. Okay, so write on green here in the box. Okay, if you cannot fit the word in the box, the word green, it's okay not to panic. Write outside the box. I've taught you this. When there is no space, the box is not big enough, you can write outside the box neatly word green. Green is as short as a red cone. Okay, next letter B. Which cone is shorter than? Shorter than. Which cone is shorter than green cone? Can you have a look and let me know which cone is shorter than the green cone? Is it the blue, red or yellow? Yes, it is yellow because red is as tall as green. They both are the same height. But here they say shorter than. That means it should be lower. It should not touch the bar. So yellow is the one which is shorter. So outside the box, write down the spelling of yellow and put it on the line. You can draw the line for neat work. Yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Next question, which cone is taller than the red cone? Which cone is taller than the red cone? Definitely it is not green because red and green are the same height. Okay, yellow is shorter than green. Okay, if yellow is shorter than green, it is definitely shorter than red as well. Now, taller, which cone is taller than the red cone? The blue cone. Very good. So write down blue. Write down the word blue. Copy down the word blue. Alright, let's continue the question number 2 now. On the wall, you can see some colored tapes, okay, but they are of different length. They are not the same size, they are not the same length, okay. Now, let's read. Which tape is as long? As long means same height or same length. As long as red tape. Which tape is as long as the red tape? I don't see the red tape being too long. It's very tiny. So, which other color tape looks the same, tinier as the red one? Yes, it is yellow. So, write down the word yellow outside the box, because you can't fit in the word. So you have enough space here. Please write down outside the box. Next, letter B. Next question. Which tape is the longest? Which tape is the longest? What do you think? Is it a green or blue? It's very confusing because green and blue more or less looks the same length. But how will I count? I will count the boxes behind on the wall. 1, 2, 3. So it's covering 3 boxes, whereas blue one is covering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So blue is the longest. I know it can be a bit confusing, but if you look very carefully, blue is the longest. Okay, now let us see. You have to arrange green, red and blue tapes beginning with the longest. So what you have to do, I have to write in the box starting from the longest. Which tape is the longest? You need to write in the box. So as I told you, we sorted out blue is the longest, then followed by green, and then comes which one? Red or yellow, both are the same. Red or yellow, both are the same. So we have already used yellow here, so we write here red. Okay, this is for today. Okay, please make sure you finish your work neatly. Okay, please write neatly today's date and the day. Finish this work, try to fit in the box. If you can't fit in the box, it's okay not to panic. You can draw a line at the side and you can write, or at the bottom. Okay, so this was for today. Finish your homework and your classwork and then you upload it by tomorrow. For science, you just need to paste the picture but have to copy the notes as we do it in the class. Alright, so you take care, be safe. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.